Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step into a world of sophisticated elegance with a black-tone kitchen design. This bold and dramatic approach creates a statement space that's both luxurious and surprisingly versatile, a symphony of dark hues, black cabinetry. The foundation of the black-tone kitchen is the cabinetry. Choose a sleek black finish in a matte or high-gloss lacquer depending on your desired level of drama. Dark countertops. Complement the black cabinets with countertops in dark granite, soapstone, or black quartz. These materials add a touch of luxury and practicality. Black appliances. Black stainless steel or matte black finishes on appliances seamlessly integrate them into the overall design and create a unified aesthetic. Balancing the darkness. Strategic lighting. Black kitchens require thoughtful lighting to avoid feeling cave-like. Utilize recessed lighting, under-cabinet lighting, and pendant lights to create layers of illumination and highlight key areas. Light-colored accents. While black dominates, incorporate pops of light color to balance the darkness and add visual interest. Consider white backsplash tiles, light wood accents on open shelving, or stainless steel hardware for a touch of shine. Reflective surfaces, glossy finishes on cabinets, backsplashes, or countertops help bounce light around the room, creating a sense of spaciousness. Modern and minimalist appeal, clean lines and simple hardware. The black-tone kitchen thrives on minimalism. Opt for clean lines on cabinets and drawers, and choose sleek and simple hardware in a metallic finish or black to complement the overall look. Open shelving. Optional, incorporate open shelving with strategically placed decorative items or light-colored dishware to add visual interest and break up the expanse of black cabinetry. A touch of warmth. Optional, wood accents. While black and white create a stunning contrast, consider incorporating warm wood accents like butcher block countertops on an island or wooden bar stools for a touch of warmth and texture. Metallic touches. Gold or brass hardware, light fixtures, or decorative accents add a touch of glamour and sophistication to the black and white canvas. Black tie elegance for everyday use. A black-tone kitchen isn't just about aesthetics, it can be surprisingly functional. The dark surfaces can hide minor imperfections and fingerprints, making them a good choice for busy households. With careful planning and strategic use of lighting and contrasting elements, you can create a luxurious and inviting kitchen that's perfect for everyday cooking and entertaining. Why embrace the dark side? Reasons for a black-tone kitchen. Black kitchens have become a popular trend, and for good reason. This bold design choice offers a unique combination of benefits that can transform your kitchen into a show-stopping space. Sophistication and drama. Black cabinets and dark countertops create a dramatic and luxurious feel. It's a statement kitchen that exudes elegance and modern flair. Surprisingly versatile, black can act as a neutral backdrop that complements various styles. You can incorporate pops of color, metallic accents, or warm wood tones to create a kitchen that reflects your personal taste, hides imperfections. Darker surfaces are more forgiving when it comes to fingerprints and minor smudges. This can be a lifesaver in busy households, easy to clean. Contrary to popular belief, black surfaces can be relatively easy to maintain. Many dark finishes are resistant to showing water spots and streaks. Timeless appeal. Unlike trendy colors, black kitchens offer a timeless aesthetic that won't go out of style anytime soon. Getting started with your black kitchen dream. Planning is key. Consider the space. Black kitchens can appear smaller, so this design might be better suited for larger spaces or kitchens with ample natural light. Think about lighting. Proper lighting is crucial for black kitchens to avoid feeling cave-like. Plan for multiple layers of lighting, including recessed lighting, under-cabinet lighting, and task lighting over key areas. Choose the right black. Black comes in various shades and finishes. Select a black that complements your desired level of drama and the overall style of your kitchen. Designing your dream kitchen, balance is key, while black is the star. Incorporate lighter elements to create visual interest and prevent the space from feeling too dark. Consider white backsplashes, light wood accents, or pops of color through accessories, reflective surfaces, glossy finishes on cabinets, countertops, or appliances can help bounce light around the room, making the space feel more open and airy. Hardware matters. Opt for sleek and simple hardware in a metallic finish or black to complement the overall look. Open shelving. Optional strategically placed open shelves with light-colored dishware or decorative items can add visual interest and create a sense of spaciousness. Adding warmth, optional. Wood accents, black and white create a stunning contrast. But consider incorporating warm wood accents like butcher block countertops or wooden bar stools to add a touch of warmth and texture. Metallic touches, gold, brass, or copper hardware, light fixtures, or decorative accents can add a touch of glamour and sophistication to the black and white canvas. Remember, sample your materials. Order samples of cabinet finishes, countertops, and backsplashes to see how they look together in your lighting. Consider professional help. A designer can help you create a layout that maximizes functionality and ensures a cohesive and balanced black kitchen design. Embrace the unexpected. Black kitchens can be surprisingly versatile. Don't be afraid to experiment with pops of color, unique textures, or metallic accents to create a kitchen that reflects your personality. By carefully considering these points and incorporating your creative vision, you can transform your black kitchen dream into a reality. This bold and sophisticated design choice can create a space that's both beautiful and functional, perfect for cooking and entertaining for years to come. Looking for a kitchen design that's chic, timeless, and easy to clean? This video showcases the beauty of black kitchens. Want to create a dramatic and luxurious feel in your kitchen? Check out this video packed with black kitchen inspiration. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.